What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a walk around one of my personals. This is a 1986 single cab 22RE long bed Toyota pickup. This is all 100% original. Nothing has been replaced or paint corrected or overly detailed, nothing like that. The original owner that I purchased it from bought it brand new in '86. He stated that he would wash it weekly and wax it between 2 and 4 times a year. Garage kept, obviously. This is a DLX model, but it does have some SR5 options added, like the chrome package, the chrome mirrors, door handles, the trims right here, chrome, SR5 wheels. These are original to this truck. These are the ones that came on it from the factory. He special ordered those with this when he ordered this actual particular truck. The only thing he did not like the stock bumper that came. So this was a dealer aftermarket catalog bumper that he had installed before he picked it up from the dealer. I do have the catalog with it circled in there from the one that he wanted. Those are the original plates, not repops. He was a Navy pilot, was very meticulous about his truck, obviously. Backpack camper also installed at the dealer before he picked it up. Backpack was the company that they stocked and installed at the dealership. It is a plastic, not a fiberglass. Just overall beautiful truck. Like I said, no paint corrections been done. None of the plastics have been greased up or anything like that. This is all just original. All original turn signals, chrome bumpers, all the glass is 100% original. This is a real true survivor. I would argue this is probably the nicest all original 86 Toyota pickup left. I mean, could be some more out there that are equivalent, but this one's pretty nice, guys. Check out the inside. About what you'd expect from the outside. See, all the hardware still has really good color. Toyota floor mats. No cracks in the dash. This one is an automatic. Original keys. Just everything. It's just so clean. Original stereo. And everything is 100% working. Nothing doesn't work. Just an overall beautiful example of a real true survivor. Anyone that's familiar with these, most of the time these are all yellow faded. That's the original one for it, brand new looking, so nice. 63,000, all original miles. Just overall beautiful truck. Here, I'll take you guys to the driver's side. Everything opens and closes just beautifully. Again, hardware, great shape. $63,000. The white lettering on the little turn signals and light indicators, just perfect. Just overall, great truck. 1988 Dancin' Raisins air freshener. Emblems just in great overall shape. I mean, this is a 40-year-old truck at this point. So nice. Toyota glass. And there's really not much that I can really even complain about the truck. I mean, it runs and drives beautifully. Show you guys this. So this is a long bed. Lots of space back there. Original owner built this platform that's in it. Said he put it in approximately like within the week of owning it. Painted it white, but the bed underneath is absolutely perfect. Nothing's touched it. Nice camper shell. Again, most of these you gotta grab the handle to close them. This one just closes so beautifully. Overall, wonderful truck. Really glad I was able to pick this one up. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. If you guys want more Toyota content, like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate y'all. Have a good one.